Hello everyone. So last class we have discussed canonical method to obtain the state model from the given transfer function. There are two cases in that. If in the first case the numerator power is less than the denominator s power, and in the second case if the numerator power and denominator s power both are same, or numerator s power is greater than s power of the denominator. Okay, we have studied that canonical method. Okay, so today I have to discuss the obtain a state model in Jordan's canonical form. Okay, it is not a canonical form, it is a Jordan's canonical form. Okay, after canonical method there is a Jordan's canonical method. This is also one of the method to obtain the state model from the transfer function. Okay, see here how is the transfer function. One numerator is 1. How is the denominator? How many roots are there? Here there are 2 roots here and 1 more root. There are 3 roots here, right? So but remind that in the canonical method there is no square term, cube term, raised to 4th term. There is only s square, s cube. It is a not a full bracket root square. Okay, it is not a root square. But in the Jordan's canonical form, if s plus 2, s plus 2, s plus 2, like this, if one root only, there is a one root here, that is a minus 2, s is equal to minus 2. If this root is repeated, okay, if it is root is repeated, then we are going for the Jordan's canonical form. Okay, so this is the first root repeated one time, next root is minus 1. S plus 1 is equal to 0, that is s is equal to minus 1. Okay, see, if roots are repeated, then we are going for Jordan canonical form. Remember, in canonical forms no root is repeated. If roots are repeated in the transfer function, see the transfer function, directly you go for the Jordan's canonical form. Otherwise, if s plus 2, s plus 1 is there, you can solve by using the canonical method. Okay, here s plus 2 is repeated, this is minus 2 is repeated one time, therefore we are going for the Jordan's canonical form. So how many variables are there here? This one root is repeated, means there are 2 terms here, x1 x2, and here is x3. Therefore x1 x2 and x3, 3 variables and 3 state equations from this given transfer function. So first we have to solve this and draw the block diagram. From the block diagram write the state equations. From the state equation write the state model, that is in the matrix form. Okay, so here roots are repeated, that is s plus 2 is repeated, s plus 2 whole square is there, so this term is repeated here, right? So find the partial fraction expansion as you have done the in canonical method, same steps here. Okay, first whatever the given transfer function, find the partial fraction from that partial fraction expansion. Here a divided by s plus 2 whole square plus b divided by s plus 2 plus c divided by s plus 1. Okay, so this is your partial fraction. 3 terms are there. Find a, b, c. Okay, there is a one easy method to find a, b, c here. Take LCM on both sides here. S plus 2 whole square, s plus 1, and here a into s plus 1 plus b into s plus 2, s plus 1 plus c into s plus 2 square. So the denominator get cancelled here while taking the LCM. So see here in this equation, for finding the ABC value, here don't put s value minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this, because here one root is repeated, so you have to find the one more root. If you put s is equal to minus 2, you will get one root. If you put s equal to minus 1, you will get the one more term. But here for finding one more term, we can't substitute the s is equal to minus 2 times. Therefore if roots are repeated, find the ABC value by using partial fraction expansion method. See here, the write this equation, expand this equation, multiply all terms, you will get the here this equation, right? Equate the coefficients of all powers of s on both sides. Means what? Okay, take here first s square coefficient. Where is s square? Here is the s square. S square coefficient is b plus, here s square coefficient is c, b plus c. Here this side, right side, no terms, 0. B plus c is equal to 0. Next, similarly power of s coefficient. Okay, see here s coefficient a plus 3b plus 4c. Here no terms, 0. S power no, there is no s power here, 0. Then constant term. Okay, constant term a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0. Okay, therefore take all these three equations, solve these three simultaneously, you will get ABC value. So put it in the transfer function, ABC values. Okay, see x1, x2, x3, three terms are there, you have to write three state equations and three variables block diagram. Okay, sorry, uh, state diagram. Next, we have to draw the block diagram for the transfer function. This is the given transfer function. These are the what partial fraction expansion. We got a, b, c value minus 1, and 1. Draw the block diagram for this. Okay. See here, three variables, right? S plus 2 whole square. There are two variables and one more third variable. So, how to draw the block diagram? In canonical method, you know that how many terms are there. You have to draw one block for one term and connected in parallelly. Here also same. First S plus 2 is there. First is adder, okay, incoming input, okay, one integrator signal, this is the C value, okay, then this is the what, feedback, okay, this is the what, one block for the one term, okay. How many terms are there here? Mainly two terms, but this term is repeated here, okay. So two terms you have to draw here, okay. See here, this is the integrator output, this is the what, feedback, that is root. These are the roots and these are the outputs. Okay. So, how many terms are S plus 2, S plus 1? So, here there is a feedback is 2 here, write 2 here. Okay. Then here feedback is 1, here write 1. But this root is repeated. So, repeated means ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಓಕೆ, S plus 2 here, S plus 1 this one. So S plus 2 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸೇಮ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ S plus 2 into S plus 2, S plus 2 whole square, next into S plus 1. Okay, therefore here I am drawing the one more term, that is here I am drawing the one more term. See here, S plus 2 whole square is there, right? S plus 2 means two roots are repeated. ಯಾವ ರೂಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಬಾಜು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ, series connected. Okay, S plus 2, this is one block. Next, similarly one more block you have to draw here. One adder, one integrator, output, and one feedback, right? That is all are negative feedback. So this is S plus 2, here is S plus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ S plus 2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದ -1 ಅದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು S plus 2 ಏನದ -1 ಅದ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ S plus 2, this is for this term, this is for this term, S plus 1 is connected here. Okay, so S plus 2, S plus 2 repeated. So ಯಾವ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. So this is the full diagram, full block for one term. So one integrator, one adder, one feedback and one output. This is the one for the S plus 2. This is the one for the S plus 2. S plus 2 into S plus 2, S plus 2 whole square, and this is the S plus 1. Getting S plus 2 whole square, this one, and S plus 1 this is. Okay, S plus 2 repeated, so those two are connected in parallel, sorry, those two repeated terms are connected in series. Non repeated, that is S plus 1 non repeated connected in parallel. Illi innondu S plus 3 ittappa andra, so you have to connect one more term here, S plus 3 parallel. Okay, if S plus 2 whole cube, S plus 2 raised to 3. Okay, if it is repeated 3 times, then you have to connect one block, second block and third block. All 3 blocks are connected in series. You will get S plus 2 whole cube. Then next S plus 1 connected in parallel, non repeated. S plus 3 connected, one more term here, parallel. Getting? So this is the what difference between Jordan and canonical. Canonical ಒಳಗ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, connected one by one, connected in parallelly. We called as a parallel programming. But in Jordan's what happened, one term is repeated. Yaudre term repeat agitandra, that is we called as a Jordan canonical method. We go for that method only. to solve the to obtain the state model. Therefore repeated poles ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು poles repeat ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು blocks ಹಾಕೋರಿ connect in series. Non-repeated terms are connected in parallel. This is the what difference. And from this block diagram, write the state equations. Remember from highest order to the lowest order. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅದ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟ್. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯಾವುದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಯಾವುದು. ಸಿ ಲಿಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ x1 dot and this is x2 dot. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಕೆನಾನಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೈಯರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಲೋವರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. x3 ಡಾಟ್, x2 ಡಾಟ್, x1 ಡಾಟ್, ರೈಟ್. ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರು, x1 x2 dot, next x3 dot, next x4 dot, like this. Getting all of you. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 variables ಇದಾವೆ, only 3 terms, 3 equations. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ higher order ಎಷ್ಟು, only repeated 2 times s plus 2 whole square ಅದ 2 ಅದ. ಸೊ x2 dot, next x1 dot. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್, ಅದ್ರ ಮೂರನೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ x3 dot. ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟು. ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x2 ಡಾಟು, x1 ಡಾಟು ಮೂರೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ x3 ಡಾಟು. ಇಫ್ ಫೋರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು x3 ಡಾಟ್, x2 ಡಾಟ್, x1 ಡಾಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x4 ಡಾಟ್. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ x2 ಡಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ x2 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, x1 ಡಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ x1, x3 ಡಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ x3. Okay, from this block diagram, state diagram, write the state equations. Okay, easily you can write the state equation. This is outgoing, incoming, and this incoming. x2 dot is equal to ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, outgoing x2 dot is equal to 1 incoming, u of t, that is input, and minus 2 into x2. Right, next x1 dot is equal to what, this is outgoing, incoming, and this is incoming. Okay, see here also x3 dot is equal to incoming, and this is outgoing. Then output y of t. Okay, so output from the 3 terms. Okay, see here I have written the state equations from the block diagram. Getting this block diagram clearly, ಎರಡು s plus 2 ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ, ನಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರಿಂದ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ಲಿ x2 ಡಾಟ್, x3 ಡಾಟ್, x4 ಡಾಟ್, x5 ಡಾಟ್, like this. Okay, see from the block diagram write the state equations. x1 dot is equal to what here, 1 minus 2 into x1 term, and this is the what, one more term, that is the what here, x2 signal, right. Next x2 dot is equal to u of t minus 2 into x of t. See here minus 2 into x of t, and here one more input is u of t. x3 dot is equal to minus 1 into x3 plus input. Okay, so y is equal to what here, y is equal to minus 1 into x1 minus 1 into x2 and 1 into x3. So this is what output. So here I have written x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot, and output. From this state equation write the block diagram, sorry, in matrix form, state model. So here x1 dot is equal to minus 2 into x1 minus 2 into x1, 1 into x2, 1 into x2, x3 illa 0 into x3, and there is no input, 0 into u. That is first term over. x2 dot is equal to, x dot ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x1 ಇಲ್ಲ x3 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 x2 ಅದ. x1 is 0 into x1 minus 2 into x2, x3 ಇಲ್ಲ 0 into x3 plus input is there, so second term input. Next x3 dot is equal to x1 x2 0 0 here, x1 into 0 0 into x2 0 minus 1 into x3 plus input 1 into u. So this is the canonical method. What happened? The A matrix is diagonal matrix. Only diagonal elements are present. Remaining all elements are 0. Right? Here also see what is the difference here. Canonical and Jordan. Diagonal elements are present. Diagonal elements are nothing but roots of the equation. What is the roots here? S plus 2 whole square and S plus 1. Okay. S plus 2 whole square means S is equal to minus 2, S is equal to minus 2, 2 terms, and S is equal to minus 1. These are the denominator terms, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, remaining all 0. See here, how many times it is repeated? Only one time is repeated, right? So one time is repeated means, see, ಯಾವ್ದು repeat ಆಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 0. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಜಾರ್ಡನ್ ಕೆನಾನಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಕೆನಾನಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 0. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆದು 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಜಾರ್ಡನ್ ಕೆನಾನ್. ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ equation, roots of the transfer function. And how is the B matrix? B matrix canonical method ಒಳಗೆ B matrix ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತು? all elements are 1. but here all elements are 1 except 1. okay, except 1, that is 0 1 1. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ 0 ಇರ್ತಾವು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ರೂಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? r is equal to 2, that is here r is equal to 2, 2 right, repeated term r is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 means that is 1 times 0 only, remaining all elements are 1. ನೀವು ಇದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಜಾರ್ಡನ್ ಕೆನಾನಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, C is equal to minus x1 minus x2 plus x3, so minus 1 minus 1 and 1, minus 1 minus 1 and 1, coefficient of x. okay, so D element no input are there. okay, D matrix is 0. okay, so this is the what Jordan canonical method. Very simple, only here difference between canonical and Jordan. Canonical ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ Jordan canonical method. See, Monday we'll take the online class theory about this Jordan canonical method, and today you see this video and I will give one problem, solve it. Whatever doubts you will get, clear your doubts in the online class. okay.